today we will update some interesting moments about today's modern woodworking machines, a masterpiece of advanced technology. Please like and subscribe to our channel and you will be lucky tomorrow. Now let's get started. Advanced Hahn HFP 160 firewood processing machine can process large logs with high throughput, making it an essential tool for firewood production businesses. A powerful and versatile machine, the Halverson 150 is capable of handling various woodworking tasks with ease, helping people save a large amount of time during the day. The WD-1400 wood peeler is an outstanding machine with its efficient bark removal process improving wood quality and facilitating wood processing operations. The Cambio 800 wood peeler equipped with the SIM 750 knife system is a force in the wood industry, ensuring efficient and precise bark removal, improving wood quality for subsequent processing. Among the top 10 advanced machines, the Hahn HFP 160 firewood processing machine is capable of processing logs up to 12 inches in diameter, turning giant logs into valuable resources. https://www.youtube.com/watch VLBakeisark. Next up is the 2023 hand crank turbine saw model, which is an attractive combination of tradition and innovation, offering a unique experience in woodworking. Close-up of the process of processing old wood at Edmiston Sawmill. The first cuts of wood mark the beginning of the journey from raw material into an artistic masterpiece. The perfect combination of advanced machinery and skilled operators ensures precise cuts and high-quality wood products. Meet the demand for sawn timber in various manufacturing sectors. With efficient working capacity, the processing work of the Hellscrag factory has helped produce sawn timber with high productivity, high quality, and precision. The Cambio peeling line with the Camtrim wood burning reduction system is a game changer in the forestry industry, effectively reducing edge flaring, optimizing the quality of peeled logs for subsequent processing. Let's see the competition between Husqvarna 592 and Style MS 661, leading chainsaws famous for their power and precision, handling demanding tasks efficiently. With impressive capacity and advanced technology, CMC Ben Paulson's woodworking machines revolutionize wood production, promoting efficiency and sustainability in the forestry industry. https://www.com/watch. Vila Rajigsv. With the ability to cut up to 27 inches, the Echo 680 is the ideal product for felling trees and chopping firewood with high precision, making an important contribution to the outstanding development of the forestry industry today. The compact TBL3 shaping saw's innovative design and shaping tools ensure consistent wood size and quality, critical to meeting industry standards. The Baker 2018 BP Dominator 3650E machine looks primitive but is a force in the sawmill industry. Each cut carries precision at a fast speed. Whether in woodworking, metalworking or other industries, the Model 70E plays an important role in improving efficiency and ensuring smooth production lines. Woodworking with mini excavators in Minnesota is an exciting endeavor, with these small but powerful machines capable of producing about 10 to 15 sticks of firewood per day. If you are someone who has witnessed these exciting working moments, please subscribe to our channel to see more great woodworking machines. Advanced technology and high productivity make the Eltec H226 Logmax 7000 indispensable for efficient wood exploitation and processing operations. The Pilkermaster Evo 36 is a game changer in the world of firewood processing, capable of producing approximately 3 to 4 cubic meters of firewood per hour, turning raw wood into valuable fuel. With its high power and performance, the GSW17 FZW3P Turbo stands out as a powerhouse in woodworking, driving productivity and innovation in the industry. The sharp saw blade makes the process of processing logs easy and quick, Let's continue to discuss other advanced tools combined with 2 parallel saw blades and fast rotation speed, helping the log to be shaped quickly. Close-up of the log processing process at the pallet sawmill. With their compact size, these advanced engines can be easily transported and processed into valuable products.